Amigos, it's not really spicy, but I'm gonna try it one more time. Well, amigos, today's video we're gonna make something easy, roasted salsa. You're gonna love it. Right now I have 2 chili fresnos, half onion, 2 garlic cloves, 5 Roma tomatoes, 1 handful of cilantro or 1 bunch. You can use something, a little bit of salt, and lemon or lime is optional too. Basically that's it. 6 to 7 ingredients is optional. And the recipe is gonna be below. I hope you get it. If you don't know me, if it's your first time, welcome. If it's your second time, welcome back. So my name is Ulysses Cruz. Yes, Ulises, Ulysses the Great. No, okay, seriously. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience. The last 5 years doing plant-based cooking, and I've enjoyed doing ever since. Let's do roasted salsa. Let's do it possible. Okay, amigos, 1 saucepan. It's no medium high heat, it's high heat. Please, please. So, how you see right now, I have right here the 5 tomatoes. I'm gonna roast them. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 5. And I'm gonna do the same with my onion. 1 onion. Oh my god. It's good over there. It's good over here. So amigos, remove it. Remove the seam, please. Also, amigos, if you wanna make it a little less spicy, just remove the seeds. Also, you can cut it in half, open it, and remove the seeds. But all is optional, you know. Orale. And also, I'm going to roast my garlic cloves. Some of them I've seen people when they're doing their salsa, they blended also this paper. I don't know, all this is optional also, but I don't really recommend to do that. So right now I'm cleaning the garlic and I'm going to roast it also. Da-da-dee, da-da-ay. So amigos, hopefully you enjoyed this video like me, and see you soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video if you really love it. Please don't force to do something that you don't want to do it. Just do it if you really feel it. Okay, it should be over here. But look at this texture, wow. I mean, amigos, just try to roast it the whole Roma tomato. Just try to make it. Also the same with your onion, both sides. Just try to do it. I mean, it's not necessary, but I mean, as much you can roasted onion or your tomato is better. So amigos, how I'm gonna make it so fast. One more. Alright, everything looks good, amigos. Look at this, how they're going. Right now I feel the onion soft. I really feel it. But also be careful when you're roasting. Yes, when you're roasted. I'm sorry for that, but when you're roasting, look at this. I can see the steam right there. So when you're roasting, just be careful. Try to open your window, or also otherwise you're gonna pay for it. Also, I mean, you're gonna have a bad day for sure. Doesn't smell so spicy right now, but should be, or it's going to be spicy. So just make sure roasted completely your tomato. Look at this. The skin is taken off by itself. I mean, after flipping. Cold looks everything. So, but for the moment, I'm gonna make some chips. Yes, some chips. So amigos, then one food processor, one tomato, otro tomate, one jitomate, one Fresno. Oh my god. Look at this juicy, beautiful juicy. Wow. Tomato. Daddy, amigos, it's time to blend it. I'm gonna add something like a half teaspoon of salt. So, and the cilantro, but how doesn't fit anymore, so I have to push down everything. Oh my god, I wanna spice my fingers. I wanna be spicy. So it's no big deal if there is the steam in there. Just make sure don't add those big steams. But it's not a big deal. You can add it. I need a little space. Wow, everything goes well. Looks good. Oh my god, amigos, just remove the ugly pieces. Amigos, just blend it. Blend it until it's good. Mix all together. I mean, you can figure out, you can decide your texture. You can make you can leave the chunky pieces of tomato in there, but or you can make it too watery. You can blend it. Oh my god, I love that aroma. Oh no. Okay. It's not bad. Okay, it's bad. Okay. It's a little. I feel like it's a little spicy. Just a little bit of lemon juice. A little bit of lemon juice also, and I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. And that's it. Amigos, it's not really spicy, but I'm gonna try it one more time. Also, another kind of a spoon. Please don't sit with the same spoon when you're trying, and also when you're cooking for someone else. That's bad. See you soon, peace and love. Remember, please make your salsa. Or also just be careful when you're roasting something, just open your windows. I mean, don't do it on one closed room because you're gonna have bad day for that. So this is my recommendation. Also try to roast it completely. Your tomatoes, your garlic, also your onion, but it's optional the spicy. On the salt, you can add a little bit more salt for reduce the spicy, or also add a little bit more of cilantro. It's optional, and I hope you get it. Please, for sure I catch you in the next video. Amigos, tell me in the comments what would you like to see on my next videos, and I'll be there for you.